All right, welcome back, Tactical family. Welcome back. This is yours truly, Big Tactical. Peace and blessings to you and your family. And I do mean peace and blessings. I wish all y'all the best in life. It's been taking me a minute to make another video. Like I said, it's about 11:30 Pacific Standard Time. Hear my 3-year-old up in the back. Work's never done. And my other son, he's 3 weeks old. So yeah. And I thank all y'all for the congrats. You know what I'm saying? Once again, peace and blessings to you and your family. I thank y'all for tuning in. And if y'all just discover my channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all my latest content. Now, I want to say big ups to Les Lethal Dad. That's my bro. Check out his channel. Bro, I took it all apart. This is the 7.5 joule valve, and I ordered the 16 joule valve. It comes opened up in there with the restrictor. All I can do is unscrew that restrictor, 30 joules. Now that's easy. That's just a flathead. I can get that out. But this thing is kicking hard with 16 joules. I mean, shattering these poor babies. I'm going to do a shooting video for you guys. But yes, this right here, Modern Combat Sports. You already know, promo code TACFAM, TACFAM, all capital. And I bought this is the 7 joule one. I got the 16 joule one I put in there. Now, mind you, this is my first time ever taking apart an HDR 68. And it was confusing. So I watched a video on my guy, Technology something Technologies. Because I was watching his video on how to do it. I could have called my bro Les Lethal Dad. He must have been at work because I tried to call him to coach me through it. But I watched the video. I got it. The trickiest part was getting his trigger back. You know what I'm saying, on there. Got that. Put it all back together. Screwed it all back together. Pelgan oil on CO2. Dropped it in there. Oh, and it's loud and it kicks. You can tell it is beyond 7.5 joules, ladies and gentlemen. And you see, you know, it comes with those. I had these 2 extra from my last HDR 68, so 25 shots, you know. Check this out right here. Check out my boy John Wixon. Grip extension. That John Wixon grip extension looking nice. Now, when I put it back together, some little white piece fell out. Yeah, that was the front sight. But if you peep this, turn this flashlight on. When I do this, I always can see my front sight just like that because that flashlight. So, yeah, things go bump in the night, I'm going to come bump them up, you know. And I got that beam on their ass. Turn that off. Y'all see the beam. Yeah, I got the beam on there. So, yeah. It's pretty much, like I say, ready for home defense. I want to say shouts out John Wixon. And check out my boy Charles and Mercy Les Lethal. They both have these grip extensions, man. If one sold out, hit up the other one, man. And they work. You see, fresh CO2 in there, pins down. This is ready for something to go bump in the night. You already know. This is in the pocket. You know, took the O light off. You know, just because I felt like it. Just because I felt like it. We're back to the HDR 68. You know what I'm saying? Got the heavy impact. Like I say, 4.6 gram heavy impact nylon PVC rounds from Modern Combat Sports. Promo code TACFAM. HDR 68. 16 joule valve. Took this 7.5 joule valve off. And if you look, 7.5 joule valve doesn't have the restrictor. And this is, and the 16 joule, this is open up in there, but it has the restrictor down there. All I gotta do is get up in there with a flathead and unscrew it and make it open just like this one. See my boy Rooney Rebel do it, and a few other people, but I convert it to high pressure air if I was gonna do that. You know, I wouldn't just go off a 12 gram CO2, 30 joules after 5 shots. That's it. It's gonna empty that CO2 and kick like a mule. But there's so many ways to, you know, you could take this, man. Get you a nice little tool back here, man, and open up the restrictor. I mean, a little valve block, yeah, and get you some more power out of it. You know, if you just want to go, you got the tools to take this apart, and you handy enough to do it, man. $114, you can't go wrong. I think everybody should have an HDR 68 in their house. You know what I'm saying, or in their car for less lethal self defense. And remember, uh, warning: not a toy. This can cause serious injury or death. So yes, 18 and over. You feel me? This is HDR 68. I mean, Rex did a good hell of a job when they made it, and all you guys out there tuning them, teaching us new mods and everything. I mean, y'all doing amazing. I mean, they got tuning barrels, everything. I mean, power pins, all that. So you can pick how powerful you want it to be. You know what I'm saying? It's a great grab. Don't forget, check out Modern Combat Sports, man. If you own a HDB, they have the 50 joule power pin. So yeah, semi-automatic shotgun, 50 joules, get that. But yep, I just want to let y'all see I put it together. Took me about an hour to take it apart and put it back together, probably a little over. I ain't gonna exaggerate, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I thank y'all for tuning in. More videos to come. Of course, I shot this bad boy off camera earlier, but I'm gonna give y'all a video of me rocking it. You know what I'm saying? I thank y'all for supporting the channel. Like I said, I just had a baby August 4th. Thank y'all for the congrats. I've been daddy duties galore. But yeah, I'm Big Tactical. Peace and blessing to you and your family. Always remember, think, live, and move tactical. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. And know that having something will always beat having nothing. Peace and blessings. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, share, and subscribe.